Physics professor Mr. Georgios Botsakis writes. Helagen.gr June 25, 2021. Institute of Energy and Applied Technologies IET. K. Physics professor and member of Petros Zografous research group, Georgios Botsakis writes. Many have tried to underestimate Mr. Petros Zografous' machine, an original inventive high-efficiency machine that, after examining it, I found that the whole device has a very high degree of efficiency in the order of 85 to 90% because it converts chemical energy directly into electricity without mechanical parts and without the need for the hydrocarbons that heat engines require in order to have high temperatures that result in the destruction of the environment. The entire process of producing electricity in the reactor of the Greek researcher is achieved at ambient temperature, while during its operation it did not create any noise, no noise pollution. The whole arrangement uses materials that are abundant in nature, namely water, semi-permeable membranes, the irradiation system, the special alloy nanopowder, nanotechnology, which is made of nanomaterials with a spherical morphology of the order of nanometer size with a high energy content. The innovation of this machine is that it converts chemical energy directly into electrical energy, thus bypassing the Carnot principle of the second law of thermodynamics, without heat generation and at ambient temperature, resulting in a high degree of efficiency. To understand the efficiency of such a conversion of energy given a chemical reaction into electrical energy, we have delta G sad face wa P delta V, and the maximum useful work obtained from the reactor is dG equals dH, TdS, where W is given by delta G or NFE. It is noteworthy that it uses materials widespread in nature and does not create any pollution in the environment, so it is a great innovation that produces electricity, green energy, which is mentioned daily by the European Union, with an amazing efficiency. Today the engines that are used the most are the thermal engines, which convert the chemical energy of fossil fuels by combustion into heat, degraded form of energy, and its subsequent conversion into mechanical energy and finally into electrical energy with a low efficiency of 18 to 22%, causing thermal and chemical pollution of the environment but also energy dependence on the countries that are rich in fossil fuels, creating economic crises with price increases, and requiring huge infrastructure. Gas and oil pipelines, tankers, refineries, etc. In the scientific community, there have been several critics claiming that Mr. Petros Zografous' engine does not obey the second thermodynamic law, but this provision does not belong to heat engines for the reason that it bypasses the above principle during the production of electricity. In simple words, it follows the natural model of plants, photosynthesis. We must congratulate the Union of Greek Physicists who supported Mr. Petros Zografous' device, and the Max Planck Institute in Germany and the Hayden Institute in the United States of America who decided that this kind of conversion bypasses the Carnot principle of the second law of thermodynamics, because it follows a different way conversion of chemical energy into electricity. For all the above reasons, it is considered a great innovative effort that will open new horizons in the way energy is converted. Let's hope that our Greece will be a pioneer in this production of electricity by taking advantage of the invention of the Greek researcher Mr. Petros Zografous. Georgios Botsakis, physicist.